We are so excited today to tell you about an event coming up on April 15th, our Pioneer Preview event. We want to invite you to come to campus to learn about the career that maybe you haven't even thought about yet, where you can build success in your life.
If you have the opportunity to go to the Pioneer Preview and look at job opportunities and different programs that are available at Western Piedmont, you absolutely should.
At Pioneer Preview, you can learn about all kinds of different careers, everything from mechatronics to nursing, medical assisting, or welding for that matter. Or maybe you're looking for a bachelor's degree and you're looking to transfer. This is the place for you to start. We can show you all the different options where you can go once you start at Western Piedmont Community College.
I think the real reason you should go to Pioneer Preview is to go get an idea of the campus, get an idea of the faculty, and really get to know what the community is going to be like up there.
It gives you a great opportunity to see the campus firsthand.
I think the best part is just coming into class and just being so excited to get to do what I love with people who share the same passion.
Being a student at Western Piedmont, I think, is awesome, honestly.
Needless to say, I love this campus.
We are so excited to have our campus open, to have you come on. It'll be a drive-through event. We're going to operate in a safe manner, and we look so forward to having you on campus and being able to show you all the possibilities of where you can go with your career. Looking forward to seeing you on April 15th at Western Piedmont Community College's Pioneer Preview.